shit. Get my phone right quick. Hold on. This one.
51 miles an hour. How far can you go off?
Let's see what that was.
Hey, 51 miles an hour. 51 miles an hour.
54 on good water.
54.
So I love coming to this spot, but that where I can't see it.
They hard to drive?
No, they're not that bad. Just gotta get used to it. Yeah, you got a lot of adjustments. You can slow your speeds down on your steering and how much it turns, and there's all kind of adjustments. Said you got to ease into it. You give it the power out to go, hell, it comes completely out the water.
How far off can you do it now?
I could probably run it out about 1,000 foot. I've lost it before, run it down to probably that light pole there, and I lost signal, so it's a pretty good distance. Yeah, that's it.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right, y'all have a good one. Huh? Yeah, there's really nobody around here that does it, so I just race by myself, really.
I got a home, but he threw the boat patrol car.
Yeah, I got some cars too.
Yeah, I got a home, but I got some cars. He's trying to race.
Yeah, say it's fun. I like it. So I just fell in love with the boats.
I like that boat.
So I saw it was smooth, and I'm going back out.
That's gonna be nice.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Wet hands. Woo! She is smoking, son. Good Lord. I ran her hard, fast, and wide open, but gosh dang. The 130s and 140s, tickling 150. Hot. Hot. The batteries aren't bad, but poor old ESC and motors, hot. Hot. Whew, popular day. I'm just glad it was nice water. That thing, I thought I was gonna have to do a lot of tuning on it. If I can just get that that hop out of the turns, which I think the other turn fins will help with that, be good to go. I said it earlier to the work release guy. They're the judges for the cleanest city in Louisiana were coming to Farmerville today, so, or maybe tomorrow. So everybody's picking up, cleaning up, and cutting grass. So anyway, I know it's not gonna be too good of footage with all the mowers and conversation, but I'll get something put together.